What a wonderful day! Tow truck is bringing the road roller to the repair shop.
What is this? Hey, you.
Drilling machine and excavator are fixing the road outside.
Wow! Help me! Okay. Look at this. Good job.
Tow truck parks the road roller inside the workshop. The vegetable field's watering system has no water.
Clamshell excavator.
Grab Excavator is helping the road roller choose new tires. Suddenly, the lights go out. The workshop lost power.
What happened?
Oh, the excavator accidentally broke the electric cable.
Hello. Hi, guys.
Tow truck brings some solar panels.
Okay.
Crane truck lifts them up and puts them on the roof.
Amazing. Good job. What is this? I got it. Yeah. It's my time.
They plug in the controller, and soon the power is fully charged. The lights in the workshop turn back on. Grab Excavator connects the broken wires again. The irrigation system starts spraying water in the field. Perfect!
Wow! Yeah!
Finally, Grab Excavator puts new tires on the road roller.
Roller truck.
The road roller drives out and smooths the road flat.
Very nice.
Great job, construction vehicles! Bye-bye. See you next time. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.